Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how you can change or reset class codes and the invite links on Google Classroom. Google Classroom or Google platform has changed that now you can use invite links and the class codes. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how you can change class codes and the invite links if you don't like other people to join your class. Maybe so many people have been familiar with the links of your class or class codes. Now you want to change so that you can only reach your students that you want to join. Now, the simple way to change the class codes and invite links is to go to right hand corner, you'll find the gear icon. So click this gear icon. If you click this gear icon, scroll down to general. As you can see here, there are invite codes, manage invite codes, uh, here. And settings apply to both invite links and the class codes. So they have written here that if you change the settings here, it means that you are changing both invite links and the class codes. So here I've enabled both. By default is enabled. So here, if I want to change, you can either, if you want to change, just click reset. But if you want to disable that other people should not join your class or other students should not join the class, now you want to close the class, meaning that those students are already, all of them have already joined, you can disable here. But if you want to reset, mean that to change the class codes, maybe because maybe they are complicated or whatever reason that you have, you can disable or reset here. So if you want to change, just click reset. And if you want to disable, just click disable. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button below. And don't forget to like this video and share to those who are in need of this information. Thank you for watching.